Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. I am so glad to be back, you guys. If you guys don't know, I have been sick for the past almost 2 weeks. I did leave a little post on here in my community tab. Thank you for everyone who sent me well wishes. I totally appreciate it. I was super down and out, and I'm not 100%, but I am a lot better than I was last week. And I crafted up these beautiful little flowers over the weekend, and I'm here to share them with you guys and share the files so that you guys can make your pretty flowers. I know that if you go on Instagram, everyone is posting these beautiful layered flowers, and I've been meaning to make them, but then I got sick and that was that. But let me show you guys these super cute little boxes that I made. The glue's a little bit, I have to like re-glue the little box edges, because after I made them, I wanted to sew on the boxes, so I re-peeled everything off, so now it's like not sticking. I have to like reseal them. But this is what they look like. These are these cute little boxes that I made. I don't think the file is meant to be this small, but it kind of worked out because it fit all the little flowers that I made. I decorated it with this cute little cluster right here. And look, you guys, I did my nails. I needed a pick-me-up after that week and a half that I had tortured by being sick. So I'm super happy with my nails. They're super short, so I could still craft with them. But yeah, you guys, this is a cute little box. Let me take the lid off so you guys can see the flowers. Yeah, I have to definitely re-glue that. But look at the little flowers, you guys. I'm gonna take them out so you guys can see them. And there are a bunch of different files, SVGs. So I'll definitely have all the ones that I used. I kind of like mixed a whole bunch. And then I used some little gemstones from Michael's that I had. I did all types of sizes. I've been loving seeing everyone post all these layered flowers. So of course I wanted to make some of my own. Super cute. You guys, I missed you so much. I didn't post any videos while being sick, and I could not wait to film again for you guys. And that's what they look like. And I think the paper collection that I used is Flourished. I had some papers left over, and I wanted to just use them up. And that's those. Little tiny one. And then we have this one. So they all fit perfectly in this little box, and if you want to gift them in some Happy Mail, you can. This box is exactly the same way. It has a little cluster, and these little clusters were already made and sent to me in some Happy Mail. I just kind of added some pieces to it and took off some stuff, like I added the little doily piece in the back, the butterfly, the little thread, and then I added to the box this cute little word phrase. And then it's the same thing, just a bunch of more flowers. But yeah, you guys, those are the pretty little flowers that I made over the weekend. If you guys are not seeing all the rave of these layered flowers, where have you been? Because everyone is posting them. But yeah, stay tuned for more videos. I'm trying to get back in the swing of things and creating some stuff. I did a haul, but I did it on my Instagram because I didn't want to film another haul video. Kind of going to slow down on the hauls. Not slow down on shopping, but I'm going to slow down on posting the hauls because I kind of want to show you guys more of what I create on my downtime. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next video. And once again, thank you so much for all your well wishes. They definitely made me feel a lot better while I was sick. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye guys.